Hey guys, what's up? I just got my shipment of 3 Han Solo variants, the action figure variants for 2015, and I think either this 4th book is an extra one, or it's Gwenpool. Yeah, first appearance or cover appearance of Gwenpool. So, let's see what's inside. Hopefully I'm not gonna cut into where it is. That would suck. That's why I'm cutting near the edge. Well, it feels like I'm doing something. That was just the extra tape, I'm sure. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, I think got stuck in here or something. Okay. I hope this isn't just like this. I hope there's some cardboard or something in here. Great. Alright. Time to rip it. Actually, you know what? I think I'll cut it like this. Or at least tear a hole in it. Okay. Bear with me, guys. No, it comes in a little box. Okay, I think I'm gonna need these. Okay, that should be a bit better. Okay. No, I'm still a bit more. Sorry for the background noise, guys. And what my idea is with these comics is to have them for the Star Wars movie. And I heard Gwenpool is gonna have an appearance, so I'm also waiting for that. Supposedly she's supposed to have her own movie too. So yeah, you never know. Now I just gotta cut it here. Well, he definitely taped it well. Tape is all over. I'm really not sure how to open these things. I'm just trying to cut all the tape off here from the edges. Hopefully that will make it open. And now that I see that I'm not gonna hurt anything, I can get into this a bit better. Okay. That's better. Alright. Oh. I'm gonna... let's see if you guys can see it. Okay. I'm gonna cut it from here. Awesome. Okay. And now flip it over. Looks like this is stuck here or something. No, it's part of it. Alright, well, I'm gonna rip it open. guess I'll cut it here too. Okay. Okay. Since corrugated cardboard, I should be able to just rip it open like this now. Oh, there we go. Alright. And he's locked it here too.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Okay, guys. Gotta do this carefully. Okay. Now you flip it and do it on the other sides. I have to say, I really don't like this packing. Like, it's packed nice, but it would get too much in the way of stuff. Okay, can't open it from here or here. I'll just try to take the tape off. Maybe it'll be better this way. Nah, but it's still stuck with that. Okay. There. Now I'll just take it off here. Maybe I should have done that in the first place. Alright. And it's still stuck here. Oh no! Alright, I'll take it off here too. Hopefully this is just a Gwenpool book. It's worth less compared to the Han Solos. Oh. Well, here's the first Han Solo. They said it's near mint, so time to see the other ones. Great. Okay, hold on. Okay, you know what? Thank you, camera person. Time to cut these free. Oops, that wasn't cutting it. Man, I'm crazy bending these things right now. That's not a good thing.
Either.
Alright guys, well, yeah, those are the 3 variant ones. Just say it.
Video. Video.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna try getting these things untaped and stuff. And the Gwenpool should be here as well. On one hand, I gotta say he did a good job. On the other hand, I have to say he did a terrible job. Alright guys, so I'm taking over the camera now. And yeah, I'm just gonna try and untape it. Sorry for a shadow, guys. Yeah, I don't think I could do it with one hand. Alright. I'll be back again when I do it.